a vibrant jungle, Munki the monkey and Trunk the baby elephant were the best of friends. One sunny morning, they decided to have a picnic by the river. Munki packed bananas, while Trunk brought his favorite snacks, leaves and fruits. As they set up their picnic, Munki spotted a colorful butterfly fluttering nearby. "Look, Trunk, let's catch it," he exclaimed. The two friends chased the butterfly, laughing and tumbling through the grass. But as they ran, Munki tripped over a vine and fell into a puddle, splashing muddy water everywhere. Trunk rushed over, concerned. "Are you okay, Munki?" Munki giggled, wiping mud from his face. "I'm fine, but now we're both muddy." Instead of worrying, they decided to embrace the mess. They splashed in the puddle together, making funny faces and laughing. Soon, the butterfly returned, dancing above them. After their muddy adventure, they sat down to enjoy their picnic. "This is the best day ever," Munki said, munching on a banana. Trunk smiled, realizing that it wasn't just the food that made their picnic special. It was the fun they had together. And with that, they shared more laughter under the jungle sun.